make you feel really comfortable about belonging here. That is key.
This is the venue that's going to provide me some opportunity, and I'm very optimistic.
Launch My Agency is going to have that one thing that stands out that's better than the rest.
The experience here has been it almost feels like a little family. It's really cool, especially being here today. You see the camaraderie, you see how everything is so natural, and that's how everything has to be in business. It has to flow.
Everything, start to finish, clean, professional, and really good group of people. Great presentations and super classy event.
My experience with Launch My Agency thus far has been awesome. I feel like it's been a healthy balance of me learning a lot, but then also me being able to put things into practice because questions have been answered.
Welcome to the Launch My Agency first live event. Here, super excited, super pumped to have you guys all here.